Overview of EndeavourOS. EndeavourOS is a Linux distribution based on Arch Linux, designed for users who want a simple and user-friendly installation experience while maintaining the flexibility and power of Arch. It aims to provide a lightweight and efficient operating system that is easy to customize. Key features: rolling release model. EndeavourOS follows a rolling release model, meaning users receive continuous updates. This ensures that you always have access to the latest software and features without needing to upgrade to a new version. Minimal installation. The installation process is straightforward, allowing users to start with a minimal base system. You can install only the software you need, making it lightweight and efficient. User-friendly installer. The Calamares installer simplifies the installation process, making it accessible even for those new to Linux. It guides users through each step, offering options for partitioning and software selection. Arch User Repository Access. EndeavourOS provides direct access to the AUR, which contains a vast collection of user-submitted packages. This allows users to easily install software that may not be available in the official repositories. Customizable desktop environments. Users can choose from several desktop environments during installation, including XFCE, KD Plasma, and others. This flexibility allows users to tailor their experience to their preferences. Active community. EndeavourOS has a welcoming and active community. Users can find support through forums, documentation, and social media, making it easier to troubleshoot and learn. Focus on learning. While EndeavourOS is user-friendly, it also encourages users to learn about the Arch ecosystem. This makes it a great choice for those who want to deepen their understanding of Linux. Benefits of EndeavourOS. Lightweight and fast. With a minimal installation, EndeavourOS runs efficiently on hardware with limited resources, making it ideal for older machines. Cutting-edge software. Users benefit from the latest software and features thanks to the rolling release model, ensuring they have access to the newest versions. Flexibility and control. EndeavourOS gives users the control to customize their system according to their needs, whether for gaming, development, or general use. Stability of Arch. Being based on Arch Linux, EndeavourOS inherits the stability and performance that Arch is known for, while providing a more accessible entry point. Great for developers. With easy access to development tools and software, EndeavourOS is an excellent choice for developers looking for a robust environment. Conclusion. EndeavourOS is a fantastic option for both new and experienced Linux users who want the power and flexibility of Arch without the steep learning curve. Its user-friendly approach, combined with the richness of the Arch ecosystem, makes it an appealing choice for many.